Ever wished you could pay your mortgage with a credit card for those sweet rewards or cash flow flexibility? Now you can, even if your lender doesn't directly accept Plastiq, by using Plastiq. First things first, head over to Plastiq.com and sign up for an account. It's a straightforward process, and you'll need to provide some basic information to get verified. Think of Plastiq as your payment bridge, connecting your credit card to your mortgage lender. Once logged in, you'll want to navigate to the Pay a Business section here. You'll need to add your mortgage lender as a recipient. You'll be prompted to enter their name, address, and importantly, your mortgage account number. Double-check this information for accuracy. It's crucial for your payment to go to the right place. Next, you'll link your preferred credit card to your Plastiq account. Go to the Payment Methods section and add your credit card details. Plastiq supports a wide range of credit cards, so you can leverage the benefits of your existing cards, whether it's cashback, travel miles, or other rewards. Now for the magic part, making the payment. Select your mortgage lender as the payee, then choose your linked credit card as the payment method. Enter the exact amount you want to pay towards your mortgage. Plastiq has a small processing fee, which is clearly displayed before you finalize the transaction. This fee allows them to facilitate the credit card payment on your behalf. Before you hit confirm, take a moment to review all the details. Ensure the lender, account number, payment amount, and your chosen credit card are all correct. Once you're happy, submit the payment. Your credit card will be charged, and Plastiq will then send the funds to your mortgage lender. Plastiq typically processes these payments within a few business days, so keep that time frame in mind for when your mortgage payment is due. You'll receive notifications from Plastiq confirming your payment status, and you can track your payment history directly within your Plastiq dashboard. This gives you incredible control over your finances and maximizes your credit card reward potential. And that's it. You've successfully used Plastiq to pay your mortgage with a credit card. It's a smart way to earn rewards, manage cash flow, and potentially extend your payment due dates, all while keeping your mortgage payments on track. Give it a try and unlock a new level of flexibility for your homeownership journey.